brand fucking new. Now that's a good way to fix a controller. One more little thing to fix the controller to its full maximum level. Just gotta throw it one more time. As you know, that sounded very nicely. You got the left side here. You've got a thumbstick. Alrighty. And here you go. You got the brand new controller. You've got the right side. Just kidding, that's the left side again. Pick up your mess. Alrighty, now you got all that. Now, let me just say this. Let me put it in a simple way. This is the best thing that could happen to you.